Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to tell you all about the best late flowering plants for butterflies and bees. We all want to attract bees and butterflies into our gardens, and the first thing to be aware of is that there are hundreds of different types of bee, bumblebee and butterfly, and they like different flowers. So the most important thing you need to do as a gardener is to plant lots of different shapes and colour of flower that bloom at different times of year, so there's a continuous supply of nectar and pollen for insects. Bees gather nectar as a carbohydrate source and harvest pollen for protein. Both are essential parts of their diet. In late summer, plants in the Asteraceae or daisy family, like this telekia speciosa, are important sources for both bees and butterflies. The telekia flowers are single open flowers where you can see the central parts, and such flowers are ideal for insects. Grow telekia in part shade in moist soil that isn't too fertile. This plant is hardy to below -4 Fahrenheit or -20 centigrade. It may need a little staking when in bloom. Our next late flower that's adored by bees and butterflies is the dahlia. However, and this is important, you need to choose single flowered dahlias. Most double flowers are of little use to pollinators as they have so many petals the insects can't find their way to the central part of the flower where the nectar and pollen are found. You can see here where I have a selection of double and single dahlias how the bees always favour the single flowers. Grow dahlias in full sun in rich, well-drained soil. The single flowered varieties are less likely to need staking than the double. Continue deadheading to encourage flowering right up until the first frosts. It's interesting here to note how the bees are enjoying these yellow flowers, although their favourite colour is purple. They're attracted to certain colours, specifically deeper shades such as purple, violet and blue. But as you can see, colour is not the only consideration for them. Butterflies, on the other hand, prefer white, pink, purple, red, yellow and orange blooms. Blue and green are their least favourite flower colours. Our third flower is the libularia. It has open daisy-like flowers and yellow colouring. In late summer, this beautiful plant is alive with feeding insects. Grow libularia in sun or part shade in fertile, reliably moist soil. Flowers that bloom in full sun, like libularia, are important for butterflies as they need to feed in full sun. Libularia Brit Mary Crawford, the variety shown here, is hardy to -4 Fahrenheit or -20 centigrade. So if you want plants to attract butterflies and bees to your garden in late summer, why not try telekia, single dahlias or libularia? Happy growing!